Now moving on to the next talk by Dr. HIRIKA GOSALIA, Innovative Academic Filmmaking, How to Direct and Produce Ophthalmic Movies with Right Tools. Dr. HIRIKA GOSALIA is a final year resident at Arvind Hospital, Coimbatore. She has done two innovations during her early residentship and has published also on the same. Over to you, Dr. HIRIKA.
Yeah, hello. So today I'll be talking about today I will be talking about innovative academic filmmaking. So why is it important to make presentations or make videos or to make films? And because mainly it will explain the idea much better to the audience. It will convey the concept and make the audience or residents for teaching and for better understanding of any concept that you want to explain to the audience. Also, pictorial memory is said to be much larger than the textual memory. And if we had to make presentations or videos based on text, then why not just publish it or write it up? Why do you want to make it as a video? So it's important to make videos in a more pictorial manner, a more animated manner, to captivate the audience. So how the steps that I used and many others that I know have used to make the videos for which have won many academic awards. So first thing is a topic or the script. It's the most important part, wherein you have to build a script based on which your video will actually flow. It's some of the people that I know, they make their audio first, which has the script, and based on the audio they'll actually make the video. So the script is the main base for any video. Second is the existing softwares. As we all know, there's PowerPoint, then there's Keynote, and then there's iMovies. So whatever you're comfortable with, you can use any of the existing softwares. So mainly I'll be talking about this Keynote. The next important step here is templates or themes. So there are many free templates available online. Them even PowerPoint themes that are there on the software itself. So there's many Go slides and free presentation downloads and templates which you can use to get a theme for your video, and can give you a concept with which you can make the audience understand the topic better. So here you can see there's a war theme, then there's a comic style theme, and there's some spooky presentation, and it will just look very beautiful and different amongst the normal presentations, PowerPoints or videos, uh, and can make the whole video look much better. The fourth step here is the fonts. So there are multiple fonts available online, again free download. Uh, why always use the normal Times Roman, Comic Sans, or Arial? You can use so many different fonts which are beautiful and very. They can completely change the way your presentations can look. There are multiple options online, and you can use any of them. It can be formal, it can be informal, it can be comic. There are multiple many of these options that I'm showing on the screen right now, which can be used for downloading free fonts on the existing softwares that you're using. So here you can see multiple fonts that I'm showing on the screen and how they just look completely different. You can apply them according to the concept of your video or theme that you have selected, or the template that you have selected. So here are a few options. Then talking about the fifth step, that is the images or the clip arts or the icons, which you can use to show a story in the video. So you can use any image, you can download it online. You can use GIFs. Which can like captivate the audience, and you can show some complication or management. Then you can use clip art. So here I'm showing how a clip art. So mainly you use a clip art with a plain background, and then you can use the one second, sorry. So you can use a background, a plain background, and then you can use the Insta Alpha option to remove the background, the plain background, and just use the icon, and you can crop it accordingly the way you want it in your video. So, one second. Why is it not playing? 1 minute. Okay. So the next is the sixth one, that is the music or the audio. So you can use any music, free music online, or any audio which can be used from YouTube, and you have to make sure that the music that you use is is not free from copyright, which can like prevent you to fall from trouble. Then the seventh step is the animations or the effects. So there are multiple animation options available on PowerPoint and Keynote. So you have appear, fade. You can use any of those according to however you want, and you can build the animations and you can make it into series, and accordingly you can apply it on the images or the text box however you want it. Then coming to animations, we can apply these animations. You can see here how we can apply it over the image. One second. Not. Yeah, so here you can see how the image, you can select it, and then you can apply an animation, and then it will accordingly show the animation effect. You can select images, you can select text box, you can select any you can the title, or however the animations you want. So you're using move out, and then you can use fade, appear, disappear, or many other such effects or animations. Then coming to the eighth step, that is transition. So mainly transition is used to flow from one slide to the other, and it's used between two slides. So here there's a short video where we can see you can see how we can use a zoom or revolve, or there in PowerPoint we have the morph, or you can use a magic move in Keynote. So I'll show you a video showing the same. One second. Why is it not? So mainly what you do is you select a text box, and you can select the desired position where you want your text box to move on the screen, and you can apply magic move to make the object or the text box move from one slide to the other. Next, coming to the editing shapes. So in this, mainly you can take, you want to build a design on the slide. So you can select any shape, and let's say we are using a triangle here, and is it over? 1 second. Okay, then we can use movie editing apps like Camtasia, Apple iMovies, or Luna Fusion to edit the videos. iMovies is what we use normally. So there's an example here of a case report when we've just taken small text and applied it to icon, and we're just explaining a case with short text and not making it look very boring, and we're using like a 58-year-old male with the complaints and the nil systemic, and then you can just show the right eye findings and the left eye findings with just a very simple icon and a small few text. And here we can show the retina findings by using the zoom option over the pathology, and then you can label those pathology with the use of shapes and arrows. Uh, then you can also show the OCT findings with the use of shapes, and you can just point out over the available, like you can use a dotted line to show one layer of the OCT, and you can shade the defect over the OCT. And the next so mainly showing your case rather than the usual conventional way of just writing text can make the audience actually look at it, and they will actually remember, and the pictures will actually be very helpful to understand what you're trying to explain to the audience. So thank you.